I'm not kidding, Samsung has just officially launched its first sneakers. Obviously, this is not Samsung's main market, but it's interesting that they have released a product with these features. Since it's a technology company, it's clear they had to include some more attractive elements in these sneakers, and Samsung has done just that. This development is called Shortcut Sneaker, and Samsung has created it in collaboration with Chael Benelux, Elitech, Wearables, and Brute Amsterdam. Interestingly, they will indeed support gestures so that, combined with foot movements, you can control your phone. Among the mentioned actions are making a call or playing music, but according to Samsung's official statement, there are 5 shortcuts you can have that are activated with different dances, thanks to the motion sensors in the soles that track the position in relation to others. But don't think these are sneakers that Samsung will be selling on their official site or anything like that. In reality, it's a limited edition that only Samsung members can enjoy, and exclusively for Samsung in the Netherlands. Samsung will be holding a raffle in that region, and the deadline to participate is July 9th, with the winners being announced on July 15th. Although the number of units they will be giving away has not been specified, we just consider it a very curious event that will go down in history. At some point, Samsung made some sneakers.